Hi, this is Sunny and this is a demo for Selenium IDE or how you can use it. I have another video for Selenium WebDriver, you can check it out, the link is in the description. So let's begin. Selenium IDE is technically a plugin or an add-on for your existing web browser. I already have it installed right here. So you can click over here and it goes record a new test, or you can open existing one, or you can just start from blank, create a new project. So I'm going to record a new test, create a project name. I already have a couple of projects, so let's create a new project. Base URL or what we're testing is right here. And start recording. Now drag and drop. So drag, drop, go to the extension and stop recording. Save the name and it's done. Now do notice I have not closed the web page. So that means the web page will remain open here. And we can set the execution speed to slow because it will run super fast if we don't. So let's run it. And the test has executed. How can we be sure? Just scroll down and see. It's right there. Since I didn't close the browser, that extra step here, number 5, was never mentioned and never executed.